Hey there, it's Wong with Hands-On Therapy Services. I know that right now it's an extremely stressful time for everyone, and everyone's going through their own worries and concerns and stuff like that. But I just wanted to come on and let you know that we as therapists here at Hands-On Therapy Services are here for you if you are experiencing any kind of pain, whether it be a neck pain, a shoulder pain, a hand pain, and even a back pain. We can help you. Now, right now, if you're unsure and you're worried, right now going to a doctor's office is not necessarily the best thing, right? Or going to an urgent care center is not the best thing. As occupational therapists here, we are specialized to be able to see what's going on and help you get clear in terms of what might be wrong, right? And then of course we can help you to fix those problems as well. Now we still are providing in-clinic services for our current clients that have had surgery and they really need to continue to get the care so they don't get stuck and they don't get into more pain, requiring them to think that they need to go to the hospital or anything like that. And we're also providing telehealth online services. So if you don't know what telehealth is, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that. And it's just basically us going on camera with you. You can go from your computer or from your smartphone even, just like this, and we can help you get clear in terms of what might be wrong and be able to help give you the very specific movements that can help you get out of those pains. And I can tell you a little bit more about how that works over the next couple of days. But imagine if you currently are working at home right now. I was just talking to someone who is a client of ours, and he is so stressed in his job right now because there's a lot of things going on and he's got big responsibilities. And so he's not working from his comfortable chair, right? He's working at a dining room table and he's like working nonstop. And right now what's happening is it's kind of messing up his lower back, and what that translates into is it's messing up his shoulders and neck, and he's getting really, really tight and really, really tense, and it's making it really hard for him to actually get through and do the job that he needs to do and carry out his responsibilities without all that pain, right? So we were able to hop online and we're able to take a look at how he's moving and be able to give him the best movements and the best series of exercises to help him, feel better right away. Within that same session, we can observe what's going on, what's going wrong, and give him the exact movements that he can do on his own. And then there's different ways in which we could follow up with you as well to ensure that you're still able to do what you need to do and reduce that pain and tension that you might be feeling in your neck or shoulders, but also to give you that lasting result so that you can continue to work, right? So everyone's got different responsibilities, and we want to be able to help you still be able to do those things without pain and without the risk of further injury. So if you are someone who's suffering with any kind of neck, shoulder, hand, lower back pain, please give us a call here at Hands-On Therapy Services so we can help you get clear in terms of what you can do right now instead of waiting for it to get worse. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.